Two cowherds. As they grew older, Nanda decided to give Lord Krishna and Balram some responsibilities. In their village, young cowherds were given the responsibility of taking care of calves. So Nanda gave the two brothers charge of the calves. You must take care of that the little calves are well fed and remain safe at all times, instructed Nanda. Thus, along with the other young cowherds, Lord Krishna and Balram started taking care of the calves. They took them to the pastures every morning and returned home every evening. When they went out for cattle grazing in the pastures, Krishna often played the flute. They also ate amalki and bale fruits. Often to amuse themselves, they mimicked the sounds of cows and bulls and even other animals and birds. However, danger would soon come to the two brothers and the cowherds. They feared nothing, for Lord Krishna was with them. Vatsasura's plan. Once a demon named Vatsa was encouraged by evil Kansa to attack Lord Krishna. Who can withstand my power? If I kill Lord Krishna, the demon world will sing my praises, thundered Vatsasura. Thus, he went to Vrindavan and observed Lord Krishna's activities carefully. I can easily trick this boy and his brother by turning into a calf and slipping into their flock. They will not notice me and I will be able to attack them with ease, he plotted. While the cattle grazed, Lord Krishna and Balram played on the banks of river Yamuna. Demon Vatsa quickly changed from his monstrous form into a small, innocent-looking calf. Then he mingled with the other calves so that he might escape being caught by the two brothers. However, Lord Krishna was the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He sensed something was wrong at once. He stopped playing with Balram and motioned his elder brother to follow him behind a tree. Lord Krishna kills Vatsasura. Brother, don't look now, but there is an evil demon in our herd that has changed himself into a calf. But we can catch him if we are clever, Lord Krishna said to Balram. Both of them planned a simple course of action to catch the cunning demon. Then the brothers sneaked up on the calf, who was Vatsasura in disguise. Soon they both surrounded him so quietly that the demon was unaware of them. Even as Balram watched, Lord Krishna quickly caught hold of the demon calf's legs and tail and started whipping him around forcefully. Then he threw him up in the air. The demon calf fell from the impact on the ground and died. Vatsasura's clever ruse to disguise himself as a calf and trick Lord Krishna had failed, as he was no match for Lord Krishna. Balram and all other cowherds cheered happily to see the death of the evil. Bakasura swallows Lord Krishna. One day, the friend of evil Kansa, Baka, an evil demon, decided to attack Lord Krishna. He took the form of a massive creature and reached Vrindavan. There, all the cowherds were drinking water from the banks of river Yamuna as their calves were being watered. Just then, they saw Bakasura, a crane-like animal which was as big as a hill. Krishna, what will we do now? Cried the cowherds. Lord Krishna said, Be calm. This evil demon will meet with his end at my hands. All except Lord Krishna stepped aside. Bakasura ran in his crane-like form with his massive talons and sharp beak towards Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna stood calmly and fearlessly as the demon edged closer. To the cowherd's horror, evil Bakasura opened his beak and swallowed Lord Krishna. Krishna, how could this happen? Who will save us now? The cowherds cried and said. Lord Krishna kills Bakasura. As Lord Krishna entered Bakasura's throat, Bakasura felt pain and a fiery sensation. He struggled to breathe. As everyone watched in awe, Krishna opened the beaks of Bakasura and ripped him apart. The cowherd cheered and Balram cried in joy, My brother is safe, praise be to the heavens. However, Bakasura gathered the little strength he had left and attacked Lord Krishna. Again, using his sharp beak and razor-like talons, Lord Krishna caught hold of the beak and broke it into two. Then he killed Bakasura so effortlessly that the onlookers were amazed. This incident clearly proved that even a demon of such a massive size was no match for Lord Krishna. He could destroy such evil monsters with a mere flick of his finger. Soon word spread among the demons that the Lord himself was born on earth to destroy evil.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.